Imagine setting off on an adventure with your favorite people, maybe your partner, your kid, your best bud, and you all have your beds, a roomy bathroom, and a smooth driving ride that doesn't feel like you're hauling a house. Sounds impossible in something this size? Meet the Dreamer D53 Fun. The escape begins. We start on a winding mountain road. The sun is sliding behind the peaks. You're behind the wheel of this sweet little rig. Fiat Ducato-based, 9-speed automatic transmission, 140 horsepower diesel engine. Smooth shifts, even smoother cruise, even on twisty climbs. No hunting for gears, no stress. Just wide open freedom nailed perfectly. You glance over, and your co-pilot nudges you with a grin. They love that it handles like a car. Power steering, adaptive cruise, lane assist. That's serious comfort without giving up nimbleness in tight spots. Interior magic reveal. Okay, let's step in. At just under 6 meters, this van is compact yet spacious. Light wooden cabinetry, soft touch finishes, ambient LEDs glowing like sunset inside. So, here's the magic. 4 beds. Not couch conversions with awkward contortions, real beds. At the back, there's a transverse double, wide enough for 2 adults to spread out. Above it, a nifty pop-up roof bed, easy to raise in seconds. No ladder gymnastics, perfect for 2 more sleepers, especially kids or friends. And the other 2? The lounge setup, front-facing seats and table, easily converts into a comfy double. So yeah, 4 sleeps, 4 rides, all legit, all ready. Bathroom tour. Time for one of the biggest surprises, the bathroom. In a sub-6 meter van, you'd expect a tiny wet room. But Dreamer threw all that out. This is a proper bathroom. Stand-up shower, real toilet, sink with swivel faucet, premium walls, solid door, room to move. It's a mini spa on wheels, a lifesaver when campsite showers are sketchy or non-existent. We once camped remotely with 0 facilities, not even a pit toilet. That bathroom felt like luxury, brought morale up tenfold at dinner. Kitchen and living. Kitchens don't need to be small either. There's a 2-burner hob, stainless sink, fridge beneath, and smart drawers overhead. Everything finds a place. Pans, mugs, food. On top, pop your tablet, watch a show while eggs fry. Then there's the dining work table, sturdy, folds out in seconds. Eat, play cards, or plug in a laptop. When you're done, stow it away. Poof, space cleared. Off-grid? No problem. Want to go off-grid? The Dreamer D53 Fun's got your back. With a solar panel on the roof, a large freshwater tank, and a second leisure battery, you can stay unplugged for days. Add in a diesel heater for those colder nights, and you've got all the comforts without needing a campsite hookup. Whether you're parked by a quiet lake or deep in the woods, it's your own cozy hideaway under the stars. Freedom, comfort, and self-sufficiency, all packed into one smart little camper. Drivability and safety. And let's talk drivability, because the Dreamer D53 Fun makes things easy, even for beginners. It's built for stability with features like electronic stability control, traction control, and hill start assist. Add a backup camera into the mix, and you're parking with confidence in tight spots. Honestly, it handles more like a car than a camper. Fun fact, my partner, who's never driven a motorhome before, solo parked it in a packed parking lot and nailed it on the first try. So yeah, whether you're cruising highways or navigating city streets, the D53 Fun keeps it smooth, safe, and stress-free. Comfort and cozy vibes. Back inside, the Dreamer D53 Fun starts to shine. Soft ambient LED lighting sets a relaxed mood as soon as the sun goes down. The upholstery is warm and plush, nothing stiff or cold like you might expect in a camper. Overhead skylights let you drift off under the stars, and when the morning light pours in, it honestly feels like waking up in a cozy treehouse. Bright, calm, and fresh. Despite its compact size, the interior feels open and welcoming. It's smartly designed, so nothing feels cramped or cluttered. Whether you're lounging after a long hike or sipping coffee before hitting the road, there's a real sense of comfort here. It's your peaceful, rolling little sanctuary on wheels. Storage smarts. Storage genius. Overhead lockers above the kitchen, underbed compartments, no suitcases piled in corners. Everything's got a home. That's what makes the Dreamer D53 Fun so practical. On one of our trips, we had gear, clothes, even a stack of toys for the kids, and somehow it all fit. No clutter, no chaos. Everything was right where we needed it, easy to grab and easy to put away. Whether you're packing for a weekend escape or a longer adventure, the smart storage layout keeps your space tidy and livable. It's van life, but without the mess. Spec highlights. All right, here's a quick breakdown of the Dreamer. D53 Fun's spec highlights. And trust me, it packs a punch in a small frame. First off, size matters, but not in the way you think. It's just 5.99 meters long, 2.05 meters wide, and 2.59 meters high. That means you get all the comforts without the stress of maneuvering a giant RV. Underneath, it's built on the solid and dependable Fiat Ducato base, with a 140 horsepower diesel engine and a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission that makes driving feel effortless. When it comes to sleeping, it comfortably fits 4. There's a fixed double bed at the back, a pop-up roof bunk for extra room up top, and a clever lounge area that converts into another double. So whether it's a couple, kids, or travel buddies, you're covered. 4 belted travel seats mean everyone rides safely and comfortably, and yes, there's a proper bathroom. We're talking walk-in shower, swivel sink, and a cassette toilet. No more sketchy public restrooms on your trips. The kitchen's got everything you need. A 2-burner hob, fridge, and sink, just enough to whip up meals wherever you stop. Planning to go off-grid? You're set with a roof solar panel, a second leisure battery, and large fresh and gray water tanks to keep things running smoothly away from campsites. And don't worry about safety. The D53 Fun includes ABS, electronic stability control, ESP, airbags, hill start assist, and even a rear camera to help you reverse like a pro. Bonus points for comfort: adaptive cruise control, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, ambient lighting, a mosquito net sliding door, and sleek alloy wheels make it not just practical, but genuinely fun to drive and live in. First trip. Let me tell you about our maiden trip. 4 adults, gear, food, van packed smart. We hit a rocky mountain pass, then turned off onto a dirt track. Camper handled it like a champ. That night, we cooked chili in the kitchen, chatted at the fold-out table, then took hot showers in the big bathroom. We tucked ourselves into bed, a couple in the rear, 2 on the roof bunk, and fell asleep under the skylight. Woke up to birds, brewed coffee on the hob, drove 5 minutes to a cliff overlooking a valley. We spent sunrise in gentle silence. That's freedom. Who's it for? So, who's the Dreamer? 53. Fun really for? Well, it's perfect for couples who want extra space without giving up the comforts of home. You're not crammed in. You've got room to stretch, cook, and sleep like royalty. For families with kids, the 2 dedicated sleeping areas, especially those bunk-style beds, mean no fighting over space and easy bedtime routines, even after messy adventure days. If you're a group of friends chasing unforgettable weekend getaways, this camper's got you covered, whether it's mountain hikes, beach sunrises, or forest escapes. And let's not forget the rookies, those who've never touched a motorhome before. The D53 Fun drives like a regular van and parks like one too. So even if it's your first rodeo, you'll feel right at home behind the wheel. Comparison shout-out. You might be thinking, what about bigger motorhomes? Sure, you get more space, but then you lose maneuverability, you pay more, and parking sucks. With the D53 Fun, you keep the ease of a van with the comforts of a motorhome. Sweet spot, right? Price and value. Is it expensive? Yeah, it's luxury. New models hover around 65 to 70,000 euros in Europe. Convert that. But you're paying for unique features: 9-speed auto, full bathroom, 4 beds. You'll spend less on campground fees with an off-grid setup and less time on setup or driving stress. For adventure lovers, it pays off. So, back to that first scene. The sunset, the mountains, the van parked off-grid. That's the point. The Dreamer D53 Fun isn't about camping, cramped. It's about living fully, grabbing luxury, freedom, and togetherness in a tiny footprint. Takeaway: small van, big comfort. 4 bedrooms, a large bathroom, and smooth driving. That's not a compromise. That's smart adventuring. Like the vibe? Hit like. Subscribe for more van tours and travel tips. Thinking about the D53 fun? Let me know in the comments. We'll dive into pricing, upgrades, or the best places to take it. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep moving. See ya on the road.